Hey guys, I'm Tiana Michelle and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing a week in my natural hair. Okay, y'all, so I had to mute the video from this point because I just could not do y'all's ears like that. My fan was going on in the background. It was super loud, but I'm just taking my ponytail holder to gather my hair up at the top of my head. I don't leave the ponytail holder on. It just makes it easier for me to tie my hair down without my hair being all up in my way. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just tying my hair up sort of in a, well, not sort of, it's in a pineapple. After I tie it down, I'm just gonna push it up and make sure that my hair is all nice and protected. After my hair is all up in the headscarf, I plop my bonnet over the top of my head and I'm good to go. It's now the next morning and I'm just gonna take my hair out my headscarf. Y'all, I do not do anything to my hair like that. I just let it be. I just feel like it's better to just leave it alone. Like, I'll probably style it sometime later on. For the most part, I just tie it up, take it down, and repeat those same steps every day. This is how it looks when I take it down. I just shake it out. I'm not going to add any extra styling to it. I forgot to film the first few days of my hair, so it is actually it's day 4, but for y'all it's day 2. That makes sense. So I'm gonna film my hair from Monday to Friday. And by that point, it's gonna be like day 9. If you haven't watched my wash and go routine, you should go back and watch that video because this is that style. As you can see, these are the pins that I had put in my hair in that video. I haven't changed them. And yeah, this is it. So it's Tuesday night and I'm about to do the exact same process that I do every single night when tying my hair down. I'm gonna do the same thing we did last night. I forgot my ponytail holder and I don't feel like getting up to get it, so I'm just gonna gather my hair up with my good old, oh, thanks babe, never mind. Gather at the top of my head, have my hair tie. And now I'm set for the evening. I also sleep with a satin pillowcase, so I have my headscarf, my bonnet, and my satin pillowcase so that if anything fails me, I'm still all good. It's day 3 and I actually forgot to oil my scalp when I first washed my hair because I style my hair in the shower. First, let me put y'all on real quick. So my scalp has not been itchy anymore because I've been shampooing with the As I Am Dry and Itchy Scalp Care shampoo. It works so well. And I've also been using the scalp treatment by Innate Life. This stuff works so well. I'm almost finished with my 2nd jar. If you haven't checked out my scalp care tips video, you definitely should. That video gives really great tips on how to care for your scalp. If you want your hair to grow, if you're trying to retain length, if you want your hair to be the healthiest that it can be, you really have to focus on your scalp. And overall, the reason that my curls have been in a pretty good state, being that my hair is color treated, is because I've been using Olaplex Hair Perfector. This stuff is so good, okay? This stuff is really, really good. It doesn't contain any protein, so that's interesting how it still does a really good job at maintaining your curl pattern. I'm just taking the pattern scalp serum and applying it a few drops all over my scalp. I really love this stuff. I can't speak on the products from their first launch because I never used them, but I really do enjoy the deep treatment and the scalp serum. So I would definitely love to try some of their styling products. I also talked about this product in my scalp tips video. So you don't need them a lot because it kind of foams up. I don't know how to describe it, but it waters its first ingredient, so it spreads really easily on the scalp and it absorbs well. This is all I've done to my hair, but mind you, even though you guys are seeing this video as day 3, this is actually day 5 of my hair. I'm probably gonna put my hair in braids tomorrow or Friday, but we'll see. Good morning, it's Thursday morning and it's time to take my hair down. Leaving my hair alone. I'm not doing anything to it. I might fluff it out a little bit later. I'll show you guys if I do, but just leave my hair alone. I'm about to run out and do some errands now. But yeah, my hair holds up really well throughout the week, and I know it's definitely because I leave it alone. I think I'm going to fluff out my hair a little bit, or I might leave it alone. I don't know. It looks good, but I be wanting my hair to look super big sometimes, and since my hair has been in this wash and go for almost a week and it hasn't fluffed up yet, I'm gonna fluff it myself. And it's still the same day. I just got my nails done earlier. They're so cute. Okay, anyways, that is not why y'all are here. So I am just going to separate my hair into sections, and I'm probably gonna like pull the curls apart just a little bit. I think fro's are so cute, but it's really hard for me to get my hair in a fro because my hair grows down like so. See if this will help, like just, I don't know, just separating it a little bit so it can have a little more volume to it. Because I mean, if it's gonna be down, you can be down and big. They're kind of separated a little bit. I'm just gonna take my pick and just pick at my roots. I don't know if there's gonna be a difference, but we will see. We shall see. I have the same bobby pins over here and over here. Let me show y'all, because I'm trying to show y'all because some people really be trying to come for me and saying that I have tracks in my head. So let me show you that these are bobby pins. It's a bobby pin. See? And it's on this side as well. And I just like to put, ooh, focus. I like to put bobby pins on my hair to keep my hair out of my face, because I do not like my hair in my face. So sometimes I may take the front section and smooth it down and pin it back, or I might just put clips at the top of my hair so that it falls a certain way. I think this is good, so I'm gonna stop here. And yeah, again, this is what I usually do when it's almost time for wash day, because I don't know about y'all, but when I pick out my hair, it kind of makes it, is that a bird just flew past my window? When I pick my hair out, even though I love the volume, it causes tangles for me, so I usually wait till closer to my wash day before I do this. It's now Thursday night, and I also wanted to show you guys the other way that I tie my hair down. So if my hair isn't tied up kind of like in a pineapple, I tie it back. I need a scrunchie for this, so I'm just gonna quickly pull my hair back into a low ponytail real quick, just so that I can quickly take my hair tie and tie my hair back. And then once my hair is tied back, I just take the scrunchie out, and I can put my bonnet on to protect my ends. Okay, so I used to go to sleep with my ends out and I wasn't retaining any length. Now that I sleep with a bonnet covering my ends, my hair has been growing like crazy. Good morning, you guys. It's Friday morning. You guys will be seeing this video actually today, this Friday, Friday afternoon. So happy Friday. I'm just taking my hair down. Oh, I'm really rushing it here. I just took both of them off. But when I tie my hair back, it kind of shapes into this helmet-like look. So I just shake it out. And this is pretty much it. Let me show you guys how my hair looks at the end of the week now. And mind you, I picked my hair out so it would be more defined had I not done that yesterday, but this is how it looks. Overall, my wash and go lasted a little over a week for me, so it's now the end of the road. I'll probably wash my hair tomorrow or Sunday and start the process all over again. But if you guys are interested in seeing more week in my hair videos and you enjoyed this one, just comment down below and let me know, because the way that I maintain a wash and go during the week is different from how I would maintain a silk press or a flexi rod set, for instance. That's pretty much it. I really do hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and remember that your support helps me out so much more than you know, especially as a smaller and newer channel. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I will leave it right up here for you, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.